Well, here we are. At the front here, towards the side, you can see there's some nice soft little lamb fleece liners. There's a little out and about bag, a net storage bag back there, and at the front there's a blue drawstring bag to hold everything in. Now here we've got two Bum Genius nappies. These are by Totspots. This one here is Little Lamb. Behind that, Baba and Boo. These two, the orangey ones, are Eco Peepo pocket nappies. This is a Doody Baba. This one is a Real Easy. At the back here, we've got Bambooty Basics. These two are Mio Solo all-in-one nappies. And then we've got two Easy Peasy nappies, a Bambino Mio wrap and a Malovia wrap, and that is a typical representation of what you can try with an Isle of Wight Real Nappy Network Nappy Trial. You get to try them for 10 days at home. I talk you through everything when I come to drop everything off to you. You get a laundry pack as well. And this kit here is worth around about £150 to £200. You can get to try it for just £35. And that includes the laundry pack, all my time, expertise, and helping you to find the best nappies for you at the right price for your budget. If you're interested, check out the links below this video and you can find out more.